Hi, so in this video I will tell you how you can enable your Snapchat map feature and how you can disable it. So for first, if your map feature is disabled, you need to just open your Snapchat first and then go to your map. Then you can just click on your profile picture, then you can scroll down and here you can see your map. You need to click on maps, then you need to disable this feature, ghost mode. Now you are live on the map and everyone can see you. And if you want to disable it, you can just do same thing again, go to your map and turn on the ghost feature, ghost mode, or you can decide any time you want to uh, disable for, like 3 hours. You can disable for 3 hours, 24 hours, and until you turned off. Okay, so I clicked it and now I am not visible on the map. So this is how you can enable and disable your map.